Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're serious about beard grooming and want a tool that balances precision, power, and premium design, today's review is for you. I've been testing the MANSCAPED the Beard Hedger, and I'm here to give you the full breakdown. What it does right, where it could improve, and whether it's worth the hype and the price tag. Let's dive in. Bearded person design and build quality. First off, the design. Right out of the box, the Beard Hedger feels premium and durable. The all-metal body with a matte finish screams quality. It's not just about looks. It feels solid in the hand with a well-balanced weight, which gives you full control during grooming. It's also IPX7 waterproof, which means you can use it in the shower and rinse it under water without worries. Perfect for those who prefer wet trimming or want easy cleanup. Scissors adjustable length settings, no guard swapping. Now here's where it stands out. The Beard Hedger offers 20 different length settings, all built into a single zoom wheel. That's right, no fumbling around with multiple clip-on guards. From 0.5mm to 10mm, the built-in adjustable guard lets you switch lengths seamlessly with the turn of a dial. Whether you like that stubble look or prefer a medium-length beard, this trimmer adapts to your style on the fly. This feature alone sets it apart from most trimmers on the market. It saves time, eliminates clutter, and gives you consistent length control every time. Flex biceps, powerful motor, and performance. Under the hood, you've got a 7,200 RPM motor that handles thick and coarse beards like a champ. I put it through the test on a 5-day growth, and it didn't tug, stall, or clog. The titanium-coated T-blade is sharp, smooth, and designed for clean cuts with minimal passes. It's engineered for precision lines and tight detailing too, perfect for edging the cheeks, neckline, or even touching up the mustache. Battery life, and charging. You get up to 60 minutes of cordless runtime on a full charge, and it uses USB-C, which is a win for convenience. A full charge takes about 90 minutes, but there's a quick charge option if you're in a rush. Plus, there's an LED battery indicator that tells you exactly how much juice you've got left. No surprises mid-trim. Luggage travel-friendly features. If you're a frequent traveler, you'll appreciate the travel lock feature. Just hold down the power button to activate it. It also comes with a hard-shell travel case that fits the trimmer and charger neatly, making it a true grab-and-go grooming kit. Direct hit: who is this for? The Beard Hedger is perfect for men with short to medium-length beards. Anyone who wants precise control without multiple guards. Frequent travelers. Those looking for a shower-safe trimmer with premium build quality. Thumbs up pros. White heavy checkmark 20 length settings in one dial. No clipper guards. White heavy checkmark waterproof and easy to clean. White heavy checkmark powerful motor for smooth trimming. White heavy checkmark durable, premium construction. White heavy checkmark great for travel with hard case and USB-C charging. White heavy checkmark sharp titanium blades for precision edging. White heavy checkmark quiet operation and strong battery performance. Thumbs down cons. Warning: not ideal for very long beards. 10mm is the max length. Warning: a little pricey compared to basic trimmers, but you're paying for build and innovation. Warning: doesn't come with nose or body hair attachments. It's beard only. Package: what's in the box? The Beard Hedger trimmer. USB-C charging cable. Hard shell travel case. Quick start guide and manual. Checkered flag final verdict. So, is the MANSCAPED Beard Hedger worth it? Absolutely, if beard maintenance is part of your daily or weekly ritual. The seamless length adjustment, powerful performance, and thoughtful design make it one of the most user-friendly grooming tools I've tested. Yes, it's priced above your average budget trimmer, but you're getting a premium grooming experience without the hassle of guard swapping, and that's a big win. Whether you're shaping your beard, cleaning up edges, or maintaining stubble, this trimmer delivers a high-end experience in a sleek, smart package. Loudspeaker call to action. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more honest reviews on grooming gear and smart gadgets. You'll find the product linked down below in the description if you want to check out current deals or grab one for yourself. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.